brutal murder in a grocery store parking lot could lead to changes in North Carolina to try to protect survivors of domestic violence.
Our Capitol reporter Michael Hyland is live in Raleigh to show us how. Michael.
Well, we talked to the family of a young woman who died just a few months ago. Her family said she wanted to pursue charges against her ex-boyfriend, but was afraid to confront him in court. Well, now people dealing with that same issue could have a new way to seek justice. To hear her mom describe her, when you became friends with Kayla Hammonds, you were friends for life.
You could call her at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning if you needed her help. She'd be right there with you.
But Kayla also grappled with an abusive relationship. Her family tells us she tried to pursue charges against her ex-boyfriend, but was afraid to go to court due to the threats he made against her and them. In the parking lot of this Food Lion in Lumberton, just a few days before Thanksgiving last year, investigators say Desmond Lee Sampson stabbed Kayla multiple times. She left behind 2 daughters.
This has affected my family tremendously with the loss of her.
Sherry Hammonds says it didn't have to be like this.
All those in favor?
On Tuesday, a bill known as Kayla's Act advanced in the General Assembly. It would allow survivors of domestic violence to testify in court remotely. While they could still face questions, they could do so from a safe location. If that had been an option for Kayla, her family says she would not have missed court dates.
If there was a law similar to Kayla's law a year or 2 ago, Kayla would be alive today. We probably wouldn't even be here talking about Kayla.
The bill also extends the statute of limitations in misdemeanor domestic violence cases to 10 years. Republican Senator Danny Britt says the struggle Kayla faced is common.
And many times these abusers are able to get set free simply because this victim remains afraid to testify against them.
Sherry Hammonds says she wants to see this change all over the country.
Just knowing that this law would get passed, she would be so happy knowing that she could help some other woman or man be protected.
This bill sets up a process for attorneys on both sides to try to reach an agreement on where someone would testify remotely and ensures that defense attorneys could cross-examine them. There's already a process in place for children to testify remotely in certain cases. Live in Raleigh, Michael Hyland, CBS 17 News.
All right, Michael, you'll keep us updated. Thank you.